Core Plus, it's a skills-based class, so students are coming in, they're going to get some theory in the classroom, and then we're going to go into the lab and they're going to be able to apply some of those theories in a hands-on environment. They're going to learn a lot, blueprint reading type of skills, problem-solving skills, and then we're going to get into the hands-on stuff where they're going to be working with not only hand tools, but power tools and eventually heavy equipment. We have to cover safety, is going to be a big part of our curriculum. We talk about interviewing skills, we talk about 21st century skills, what it means to show up to work on time, what it means to be prepared, what it means to collaborate with other people.
Some of the skills that I think I'm learning are like teamwork, because I have to work with other people, and some of the kids are younger than me, so I have to naturally teach them, how to use certain equipment if they don't know how to use it. Learn how to be safe in a environment where people are working with heavy equipment. You got to pay attention to your surroundings and make sure you're being safe. We're going to tour through the community college program. We're going to tour through a private aviation company, and then we're also going to tour through an aerospace company that does a lot of government contracting. It's great for the students when they walk into a facility and they see a lot of the same equipment that we're using in our shop, and they understand that, hey, what we're doing in our classroom is the skills we're learning are some of the exact same things that we're going to be doing if we choose to go into the manufacturing and aerospace industry. Well, when I talk to kids, I always try to emphasize that, getting out of high school, if you want to go straight into the job force or straight into the apprenticeship force, it doesn't have to end there. You can always continue your education, always be a lifelong learner. There's so many companies right now that are not only offering benefits and packages to come right in and start to work, but they're also going to offer education beyond once you get hired if you're interested in going back to college. With the Core Plus classes, it's not just going in and working with metal. They also open you up to a lot of opportunities, such as the apprenticeship program, which I wouldn't have known about if I didn't take this class. Well, for the students to have an internship is amazing, especially some of the apprenticeships and internships that are available now with the paid apprenticeships. They can get college credit, they can get high school credit. Again, those are just opportunities that just did not exist previously.
Core Plus is really unique in the fact that it's like the one class that I really enjoyed doing because of the environment that it is, and because of the teacher, and because of the things that I'm learning. This is a great program, especially if you like working with your hands like I do. It's really fun. I've enjoyed it as long as I've been in it, and just take it seriously and don't mess around and you'll have the same experience.